Carnarvon Lake is absolutely stunning. It's crystal clear and a beautiful Caribbean blue color. It is the nicest of the three headwall lakes located in this area. Once you reach the base of the waterfall, locate a chain to your right that is bolted to the rock face. If you're faint of heart, you may want to avoid this hike as a fall from here could be fatal. Work your way up approximately 20 milliseconds of chain until you reach safe ground, then hike a short distance to the lake. Hiking up the mountain can be a bit challenging, but the views from the top are well worth the effort. From Lion's Head, you get some of the best views of the city and its surroundings. Even if you don't climb all the way, you still get fantastic views along the trail. The pass is formed by cliffs on the sides of mountains. The gate of the pass was built on the middle part of the Dajin mountain as a strategic position, on both sides of which there are steep cliffs stretching for hundreds of miles, just like a natural city wall, but interrupting at the gateway. Thus, a narrow and long mountain pass is formed here with knife-cut and axe-split rising cliffs on both sides, and become the only way into Sichuan, called Impregnable Pass under heaven. Huayna Picchu Mountain is the summit located north of the Inca city. It is 2,720 meters above sea level, 8,923 feet. This mountain is famous for its staircases on the edge of cliffs. The most popular and difficult section are the Stairs of Death. In addition, a mysterious Inca construction called the Temple of the Moon is located on the Huayna Picchu Mountain. If you can get one of the 400 daily entrance tickets to the Huayna Picchu Mountain, you will have the opportunity to visit the Stairs of Death. These steps offer intimidating views. And, despite its name, no one has died on these famous stairs. Ladder is a steep, steel step structure that provided pedestrian access to former U.S. Navy communication facilities on the island of Oahu, Hawaii. 1. The total 3,922 steps span along Oahu's Ko'olau mountain range. The pathway has been used as a hiking trail at various times. Updated on January 1, 2021. Basically, it is a high-risk hike, illegal, and you may get fined. Alternate route up the Stairway to Heaven hike, about the back way up the Stairway to Heaven. This route is much longer. However, it is legal and you still get to reach the viewpoint of the Haiku stairs. You don't actually use the stairs to reach the viewpoint, but you can still walk part way down the stairs for some photos before returning to the summit and heading back down the legal route. Is unique fin-like mountain formation that juts out to the center of the main canyon. The trail follows the narrow spine to the final viewpoint roughly 460 meters above the canyon floor. This hike will take between 3 to 6 hours. It is fairly strenuous and exposed day hike with steep elevation gain along the trail. Your legs will burn, your knees may shake, and the view will take your breath away. Half Dome is a Yosemite icon and a great challenge to many hikers. The two metal cables allow hikers to climb the last 122 meters to the summit without rock climbing equipment. The cables are not the only difficult part of the hike, which is 23 to 26 kilometers round trip and gains 1,463 meters. If you're planning to hike Half Dome, you should be in good physical condition. Much of the hike to Half Dome is an unpredictable adventure into wilderness, but preparation is paramount. The Half Dome cables are put up each spring and taken down each fall, typically from the Friday before Memorial Day through the Tuesday after Columbus Day. These dates are conditions dependent and may vary from year to year. You must have a permit to ascend the subdome steps or Half Dome cables. Walk, also called Chinkong Plank Road or a plank road in the sky, is reputed as the most dangerous hike in the world. So many people are curious about this place and want to find out how dangerous it can be.
But if you wanna cry, cry on my shoulder. If you need someone who cares for you. If you're feeling sad, your heart gets colder. Yes, I'll show you what real love can do.
This almost 8-kilometer path near Malaga, Andalusia, was once considered one of the most dangerous in the world. Today the entire route has been carefully restored, but although it's now much safer, one thing hasn't changed. The unique experience of strolling along walkways hanging over 100 meters up on a sheer cliff face. The views are unforgettable. The Caminito del Rey route is spectacular from beginning to end, running through cliffs, canyons, and a large valley. It crosses the landscapes of Desfiladero de los Gaitanes, a gorge carved out by the river Guadalhorce, with walls 700 meters high. You will need to buy tickets for El Caminito del Rey.